Who can pass up videoing a beautiful 57 Ford Thunderbird? The red color really stands out. And beautiful Kelsey Hayes wheels. The underhood area is spectacular. Even has a reproduction battery. And you notice that vent there in the fender that allows for ventilation. And you see with the vents down below the dash, the car has air conditioning. And automatic. I love the way they carry the color to the interior. And they also have that machined metal insert that they use both in the door panel and the grille. Carpeted trunk. And of course the exhaust comes out of the openings there in the bumper. Fender skirts, which do look good on this car. Nice white top. Really, a car that's really in perfect condition.